Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So, let's take a look.
Hey everyone, today I'm here to talk about a combination that may sound complicated, but it has helped many people. Diosmin with Hesperidin. Let's dive right into it. Diosmin and Hesperidin are combined to treat vein diseases like varicose veins and other circulatory problems. If you've ever felt heavy legs after a long day or had problems with hemorrhoids, your doctor might suggest this duo. So, how do these substances work? Simply put, they strengthen the walls of your blood vessels, making them less likely to swell. This makes blood flow better and reduces inflammation. Now let's talk about dosage. It's essential to follow your doctor's recommendations, but you'll usually start with an initial dose to address the immediate problem and then move to a maintenance dose to keep things in check. However, while effective, this treatment is not without side effects. You might experience mild stomach discomfort or headaches. And remember, it's important to talk to your doctor if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have any pre-existing conditions before starting treatment. To sum up, remember that Diosmin with Hesperidin can be a breakthrough in managing certain health problems. Always make sure to take it correctly, pay attention to any adverse effects, and check in with your doctor regularly. Stay healthy and take care.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.